Productivity tools walk a fine line. Done right, they boost output, catch inefficiencies, and help people do their best work. Done wrong, you're just a screenshot away from crushing team morale. Today, we're breaking down 11 employee productivity platforms, from heavy-duty monitoring suites to lightweight time trackers, so you can decide what's helpful versus what crosses the line. Number 1. Teramind. If you're looking for total visibility into how work gets done, Teramind is worth a close look. It offers deep user activity monitoring across apps, browsers, email, and even messaging platforms like Slack and Teams to give full clarity into employee productivity. Leverage screen recordings, behavior analytics, and real-time alerts to understand what affects productivity. You can also define custom productivity metrics, analyze workflows, spot skill gaps, and even compare how work varies by location, office versus remote, for example. Teramind includes strong data loss prevention features and lets you set up rules that stop sensitive information from walking out the door. The Teramind platform is best for mid-size to enterprise orgs that care equally about productivity and security. 2. Time Doctor. Built for remote teams and freelancers, Time Doctor tracks work hours, captures screenshots, and flags distractions. Offline tracking is built in, but shared device billing issues and sometimes clunky setup may slow things down. This solution's best for distributed teams needing lightweight, automated time tracking. 3. ActiveTrack. ActiveTrack blends employee monitoring with deep productivity analytics. It scores activities, maps workflows, and benchmarks performance against industry averages. Powerful? Yes. But with dense data and complex dashboards, expect a learning curve. ActiveTrack may be appealing to ops and people managers who want insights, not just oversight. 4. Variato. Variato tracks everything. Keystrokes, screen activity, file transfers, emails, and uses AI to detect insider threats. It's built for security-conscious industries, but its intensity can impact system performance and employee trust if not rolled out carefully. Regulated industries where data protection is mission-critical may consider Variato. 5. Hubstaff. Hubstaff offers time tracking, geofencing, screenshots, and budgeting, plus built-in payroll and invoicing. It's a great all-in-one platform for distributed or client-facing teams. However, it can feel intrusive, and Linux users may run into issues. Hubstaff may appeal to teams managing remote workers, freelancers, or hourly contractors. 6. Insightful. Insightful automates time tracking, categorizes activity, and uses smart analytics to flag inefficiencies. Mood tracking, yes, they can track your mood, and attendance tools add a layer of workforce well-being monitoring. Still, time zone issues and billing headaches can complicate adoption. Teams who want productivity data and cultural pulse checks may like using Insightful. 7. Monotask. Monotask is easy to use and quick to deploy. It offers task tracking, productivity ratings, and live dashboards, all from the cloud. A few limitations, like no offline tracking and potentially intrusive screenshots, may not work for every culture. Startups or small teams looking for simplicity over complexity may consider Monotask. 8. Desk Time. Desk Time runs automatically, tracking productivity without manual input. It also offers budgeting tools, task tracking, and leave management in one place. It's a great solution for individual contributors, though pricing and bugs may be a concern for growing teams. Freelancers and lean teams who need effortless tracking are typically drawn to Desk Time. 9. Controlio. Controlio offers screen monitoring, keystroke logging, productivity benchmarks, and real-time alerts, all in a centralized dashboard. It's robust, but can overwhelm users with its depth of features and a less than smooth user interface. Teams that need airtight compliance and risk management might like Controlio. 10. Track. Track balances monitoring with employee privacy. It uses encrypted, random screenshots and allows manual edits, keeping teams accountable without overstepping. Its volume of features is on the lighter side, but it's a solid middle ground for trust-based cultures. This solution's best fit for companies that want visibility with transparency and respect. 11. ClickUp. ClickUp goes beyond monitoring. It's a complete productivity suite. With task management, time tracking docs, and collaboration tools, it has the ability to replace multiple apps. The flip side, setup and customization can feel overwhelming upfront. Project-based teams that need flexible, centralized workflows may be drawn to ClickUp. No productivity tool is one size fits all. The right software depends on how your team works and what you're optimizing for. If you need real-time visibility and enterprise-grade security, Teramind is hard to beat. The key is this: pick a tool that fits your workflow, not one that forces your team to work around it. If you want to see what full visibility looks like, check out Teramind in the link below. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this was helpful, subscribe for more breakdowns like this.